Welcome back to the Dirk Forklift Parts channel. I'm Explainer Dirk. Today, I'm excited to introducing the kingpin repair kit for BYD electric forklifts. Let's take a look. We offer multiple kingpins repair kits for 2-ton to 3-ton BYD electric forklifts, covering both new and older models. I will showcase these 3 kits today. Others will appear in my upcoming short videos. Don't miss those if you are curious. Before we unbox the parts, here's a key tip. BYD forklift kingpins are site-specific. However, the left kingpin is shared between 2-ton and 3-ton models, handy for close compatibility. Now, let's dive into the kits. While the kingpin in that straight box is deeper, all other components, O-ring, oil seal, retaining ring, also known as spring set, turbo roller bearing, are identical inside. Here are right side kingpin. They are very slightly inside, but the core design is the same. Look closely at the sensor positions. Can you spot the difference? This is shared left side kingpin for 2-ton and 3-ton model. Newer BYD forklifts feature redesigned steering axle bodies, eliminating older components like graphite Cooper bushing, adjust the washer, lock pin, grease fitting. This streamline maintenance and save time on repairs. Thank you for watching the full video. For more product details, we invite you to view my short video on forklift undercarriage components. Should you require E&O or aftermarket part solution for forklift lower assemblies, please contact me.